Hi guys, it's me, I'm back. Today I wanted to do a little experiment using just 3 compartments of my split cup. I've got this idea to do different paint layers again and try and see if I can get like some sort of geode looking painting out of it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I thought, you know, got these paints, might as well try it. That was the silver. Okay. So I'm putting the ones that I want to be more dominant in the outside compartments. It seems like they the outside ones end up on top when you pour. That's gold. I was just thinking about the pours I did, and I used the same colors over and over in the layers, so you didn't really see the difference between what was the outside and what was the inside. So I'm starting with the colors that I want to show on the inside of my painting, so of my rings. So that's why I'm layering the metallics first, because I want those in my center. Okay. Now, let's see. Then I'm gonna go for the blues. So this is a greenish turquoise. And I don't want it to be on top of the gold because it goes too green. That's why I put it on the copper. Okay. Then I've got some leftover scraping paint. Well, that didn't layer. That just went straight through. So the paint in the middle, too thin. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work. But, you know, let's just try it. Well, this one is looking too thin as well. It was worth a try. I didn't want to mix up more colors because I need to clean up these cups. So I thought I'd just finish it off. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna put the pink in here. Let's put the gray on top of this one. I think it's just gonna blend well. Maybe next time I try it with better paint. Oh, and that went over. So, made a bit of a mess. So let's see what happens if I want to pour out of these 3 compartments. Okay, so it didn't work out as I planned. I'm gonna get rid of the spinner, the paint is too thin. Let's take these. Yeah, I'm gonna take the center off altogether because I don't like it. Let's see. I don't like that little thingy over there, but I'm getting more. Let's just take a little bit more paint off that side. Okay. Oh, look, I made a big puddle. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and it didn't work out as I planned. But you know what? I like it. It's pretty. Let's see how it dries. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. So see this beautiful puddle? I'm actually gonna try and use the paint. I already dipped the sides of my tiny canvas. This one I wanted to cover, so I'm just gonna put this one just on top. And I'm gonna pull up and move it around just a little bit because there's to create a little bit movement. Let's see, there's a little blob in there. Here's what I got. So no paint is ever going to waste.